Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can change Notes password on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Notes. Then go down and tap on Password. Next, select an account, and from here tap on Change Password. Now put in the new password that you would like to use. So I'm going to put in test2 and then put in the same password again to verify. So test2, and then next you can use the hint or you can leave it empty. It's optional. Now tap on Done. So say a hint is strongly recommended. I'm just going to tap on Done again to go ahead. And that's it. So after you have updated password, you can now lock your note. So we can lock it. Here you can see we can use a new password to unlock it. Test2. And then tap on OK, and this will allow you to unlock the notes. And that is how you can change your Notes password on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.